Hey dolls, hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Valisa, and on this video I want to show you guys the two different looks that I created using the eyeshadow palette from NYX, and it is the Festival. But before I do that, I want to show you guys these beautiful earrings that I ordered, and I ordered them from mooningbloom.co. And I have to say, I just love, oh my god, you guys should follow them on Instagram. Listen, this girl is talented. Handmade earrings and hair clips, and I'm pretty sure I cannot wait to see more accessories because I know she's gonna get creative. But look how beautiful. Follow her on Instagram, okay? Look how beautiful is her designs, the colors, the details. I'm just in love with it. You can find her on IG, on Facebook, and she's right now in the UK, but she shipped over here in the US. But I'm super excited. The crazy thing is that I ordered one pair of earrings, and surprise, surprise, she sent me three pair of earrings, and I'm super excited because they're different style. So yeah, look how beautiful that looks. Very glamorous. Now I feel like I'm Miss Universe. I really love it. Handmade. Support your small businesses. So please head over to her IG and Facebook and click like. All right. So back to the makeup. Your face, I highly recommend to moisturize with your favorite moisturizer, and make sure you cleanse. I believe in double cleanse, and yeah, just make sure you cleanse your face, moisturize, use your favorite serum or eye cream, and get ready to do your makeup. Now, before I do my makeup, like my face in orders, I like to start with my eyebrows. What I like to do is I like to shape my eyebrows, because when you shape them, it's easy. You shape them and you color them inside. And then you do like an ombre. I like to brush it in the edges. Why do I do my eyebrows? Because it's complicated. I feel like eyebrows, to make them the same with each other, is very hard. And remember this, your eyebrows sometimes may be twins, but most of the times they're cousins or sisters. Yeah? Good. So right now all I'm doing is just brushing it, blend it in with the brush. But yeah, I gotta make them, I try to make them as equal as possible. But my eyebrows are cousins, honey. So yeah. I'm using this concealer, and I just have to say I just love this concealer, and you'll be surprised how I use this concealer. So this concealer, I love it, and I have to say I use it for everything. Cut crease, eyeshadow base. I use it to clean my eyebrows. I use it as all over my face, under my eyes. I just love this foundation, and I like how it feels. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels like I don't have nothing on. So highly recommend this concealer. And right now what I'm doing is I am blending in with the beauty sponge. The one that I'm using right now is Real Techniques, and I am just blending in with my eyes because I don't use eye primer. I don't use eye primers. I don't use eyeshadow base. I just use concealer, and that's about it. And for the eyes, so it won't crease, you know what I'm saying, with the concealer, because I have hooded eyes. I have hooded eyes. So what happened is that when you have hooded eyes, sometimes if you just use like a eyeshadow, like a cream eyeshadow, or like a base primer that is very liquidy, it can crease. So the eyes won't crease because I'm using my concealer. What I like to do is I like to go with the lightest color in the palette. So every eyeshadow palette, it has a light color. That's the color that I like to start so that my makeup can stay in place. Kind of like a setting powder. Yeah, makes sense? Perfect, good. So I use the lightest color, and that's what I'm doing now. I am applying it on my crease so my eyelid won't crease. Yeah, so it can stay. And right now I'm just going to create a look, just a simple, easy look. I'm going to start with the pink and purples, and I'm going to be using the white eyeliner by NYX. and that's what I'm doing in my right, well, yeah, in my right eye. I'm starting with the pink, very light. I am blending in. Remember, that's the secret of makeup. Blend, blend as much as you can. Okay, I always tell people, make sure you're blending in. Start small. Okay, now you see this little brush right here. That brush is what's gonna help you create those little edges, like really tiny. Never start with a big brush. The big brush is to blend. You want to start with a brush like that, very small, and always starts with a little bit, and then you can add more, and then you can add more. Do not put too much products in your eyes, because then it's going to be too hard to blend. Then you have to start all over again, and it can get messy. You want to start little by little, add as much as you can. Tape can help you if you have like struggle with cat eye. um, Tape can be very helpful, but I like to take away the stickiness, so it won't hurt your eyes, because under your eyes is very delicate. So just be careful with that. But my advice is, make sure you guys blend, 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 so the eyeshadow can look complete. Okay, because a lot of people just don't blend as much. And there you have it. Now I'm going to be doing the cut crease, and I'm going to be using the same concealer. And oh my god, and now I have to go get another one because I'm almost done. And I believe you can get it at Sephora. I'm going to double check, and I'll put the link on the description box, because I have to Google more about this brand, because I never seen this brand. A coworker gave it to me as a gift, and I'm hooked. Like, I'm hooked, honey. I love it. But yeah, I'm using the same thing. A lot of people say that, does it work? Of course it works. It's stay long. The concealer that I used a lot to do the cut crease is the Maybelline Fit Me, because I feel like it's very thick. It lasts long, and you don't need that much. So yeah, but now I'm hooked to this concealer. Now I cannot cannot get away from it. And then I'm gonna apply the white liner. And with the white eyeliner, you have to be extremely careful, because you can mess up. So you're very shaky. Like I said, you start from little bit by little. When you're dealing with wet eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, gel eyeliner, make sure you wait a little bit so it can dry up. And as you see, I took away the tape, and look exactly the way I wanted the shape. So yeah, tape is very helpful. If you haven't tried, give it a try, but also be careful, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna clean it with Ups and Ups by Target wipes, makeup wipes, which I love it, and it takes even waterproof mascara, and it's very calming. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead with the other eye, and I'm gonna create a very simple look. And honestly, I love this color, like that peachy color, and that's the perfect color for a lot of girls that does not like to wear too much makeup or colorful makeup. But yeah, this is very beautiful, very simple. You can do this for anything. Now there's a lot of wedding coming up, and a lot of girls don't like to wear makeup. I came across here with a lot of girls does not like to wear too much makeup, heavy makeup, and they go more for these type of color, like peachy brown, you know what I mean, aesthetic colors, I guess that's what it's called. But Very simple, very soft, very light. No eyeliner, okay? Because the lash is band, it can come into like a eyeliner, the shape of it. I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. On this part, what I was gonna do is I was going to mix the highlighter and kind of like to have like the shimmer. And honestly, I was mixing the colors. So yeah, I like to mix colors because sometimes I feel like you may get better results. That's just me. I just like to mix colors. So I'm using eyeshadow on the palette and I'm using the highlighter for the shimmer. And I'm gonna go with the dark peachy kind of pinky. Depends on your skin tone because sometimes the colors can change, but it's more like a peachy, like a very bright peachy. Now I'm cleaning under my eyes, and this is the reason why I like to do my eyebrows and then my eyes first. Okay, because in case if there's any fallout, you already know. And like I said, I love this concealer that I'm literally using it for all over my face, literally as a foundation. And honestly, I love how it covers and it gives me that natural glow. I'm using this brush from Sonia Kashkash, you know, Sonia from Target. Anyways, anywho, I love this brush because it's so easy to blend in, and it's kind of like that brush two in one. You have the brush and then you have like the beauty sponge. I like to go blend it in and then dab, 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 dab. Okay, look how natural it gives me, leaves me the face like super natural, super glowy. I just love this foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and put the NYX Contour. And honestly, this is my winter one. I need to get a darker one because, you know, summer's coming or we're getting tan. Everybody needs a two foundation. One for the winter and one for the summer. So this is my winter. I have to go get another one to darken it just a little bit. If not, you can just use your favorite bronzer. For me, it's like, you know, Physician Formula, like one of the best bronzer. Milani has one too, but you know, I'm used to using the Physician Formula. I like how it smells and stuff like that. And I'm using the blush because I don't have like a blush, so I'm creating my own blush from in the same palette. I'm using the two peachy and soft pink color. Okay, I am applying it and then I'm going and blending on my cheeks, smile and stuff. But yeah, anyhow, I like how this is going. I honestly, I like this highlighter. It's very pretty and I just love it. I'm not a big fan of the gold one, the one next to it. It was okay. You can use it as an eyeshadow, like a shimmer eyeshadow. But honestly, that pink, I just love it. It's so natural and glowy. I just love how this look turned out, honestly. It's very simple and easy. I believe I've said this before. I do not use mascara, but for some reason I love this mascara and I love the brush. It's by CoverGirl. And honestly, everybody wants the Sky High or the L'Oreal Air or something, but I just love this one. I love the brush and I love how it leaves my lashes, especially the bottom one. But honestly, to be honest with you, when you have lashes, sometimes I wear mascara, sometimes I don't. It's like a hit or miss. But you see my left eye, you see how I told you that I don't use eyeliner? Yeah, look at that. Bam. The band was too big, so I don't need, it looks like I have eyeliner. But yeah, I love my earrings. Check them out, okay? Follow her, show some love, and thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, click like, and on to my next video. Bye guys.